Welcome to SLR Learning Planet. You have 15 questions. You have 10 seconds to solve each question. If you require more time, then you can pause the video. Which is called the lungs of the earth? Nile River, Amazon rainforest, Mount Everest, Sahara Desert. Bullet train was first started in which country? Japan, China, Spain, France. What is the currency of Russia? Euro, dollar, ruble, ringgit. What is the national sport of Japan? Sumo wrestling, karate, baseball, martial arts. In which ocean, Bermuda Triangle, region is located? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean. London is situated on the banks of which river? Seine, Danube, Thames, Colorado. What is the name of Hitler's autobiography? Wings of Fire, My Brief History, Freedom in Exile, Mein Kampf. Which is the biggest country in the world by area? America, Canada, Russia, Brazil. Which is the biggest country in the world by population? India, China, Russia, USA. Which is the world's most prestigious award? Oscar Award, Nobel Prize, Booker Prize, Pulitzer Prize. What was the old name of Netherlands? Holland, Ceylon, Persia, Siam. Which is the longest river in the world? Nile, Congo, Amazon, Ganga. What is fear of heights called? hydrophobia, cynophobia, acrophobia, hemophobia. Which country is the largest producer of coffee? Brazil, Colombia, Vietnam, India. Which country was the first to invent paper? France, Greece, England, China. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.